Greetings to my viewers. In this video, I am going to talk about Vidyanjali. Why Vidyanjali? Because these days it is being talked about a lot. So, here is the basic gist of Vidyanjali. Vidyanjali is an online portal launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on 7th September 2021 with the aim of strengthening the infrastructure, facilities, and improving the quality of education in government and government aided schools. हमारे गवर्नमेंट और गवर्नमेंट एडेड स्कूल्स को स्ट्रेंथन करने के एम से अब वो स्ट्रेंथनिंग कैसे होगी बाय सॉलिसिटिंग वॉलेंट्री कंट्रीब्यूशन एंड सपोर्ट फ्रॉम सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया एनआरआईज इंस्टीट्यूशंस कंपनीज एट्सेट्रा यानी इस पोर्टल पर सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया एनआरआईज कंपनीज वॉलेंटरी कंट्रीब्यूट एंड सपोर्ट कर सकती हैं जिनसे हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग गवर्नमेंट एंड गवर्नमेंट एडेड स्कूल्स को सपोर्ट मिलेगा. A volunteer who wishes to contribute can contribute through the Vidyanjali portal either by providing services or by providing assets or materials or equipments. Now I'll tell you what services can a volunteer provide. Number 1, subject assistance. Second, assistance for teaching art, craft or yoga. Third, teaching assistance for children with special needs. Fourth, provide sponsorship of trained counselors or special educators. Fifth, sponsoring medical camps by doctors. Sixth, sponsoring for participation in sports and cultural events. And seventh, sponsoring for self-defense training, etc. Now let's talk about the categories of contribution under assets, materials or equipments. First, basic civil infrastructure. Second, basic electrical infrastructure. Third, classroom support materials and equipments. Fourth, digital infrastructure. Fifth, equipment for co-curricular activities and sports, yoga, health and safety aids. Sixth, learning teaching materials. Seventh, maintenance and repairs. Eighth, office or stationery or support services needs, etc. And the most important point to be noticed is that the contribution of assets, material or equipment cannot be in the form of any monetary support. Now the question arises, if one wishes to contribute on the portal, then what is the procedure? So first of all, the volunteer will log in the portal, which is vidyanjali.education.gov.in/en. The person will select the school to which he or she wants to contribute. Then he will select the contribution, the type of contribution, which means whether he or she wants to contribute assets or whether he wants to contribute his or her services. After that, he or she will fill the required details, and at last he or she will be able to provide the required services, assets, material or equipment. This was all in brief about Vidyanjali. I hope I am able to convey what I intended to convey. If you like the video, please share it.